friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to download and install Epson L3210 printer drivers. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open browser, type on URL Epson L3210 drivers. Okay, right click on this link, open new tab. Click on downloads, scroll down, expand drivers, click on downloads, click on accept. Driver is downloaded. Open, click on setup file. While setup is extracting, please wait. Click on OK. Select here language English, click on OK. Select agree, click on OK. While printer setup is installing, please wait. Setup is complete, click on OK. Okay, let's take a test print. Open control panel. Click on view device and printers. Right click on printer, printer properties. Click on print test page. You see on screen print is come. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.